Urbanic and Urbanic. Hello and welcome to my channel, guys. This is Tanisha. I hope you all are doing amazing. And as you can see, today I have put in so much extra effort on my hair. So please hit the like button. I will feel nice, my hair will feel nice. And even if you don't like it, hit the like button. And for the people who are new here, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon. I think so the old viewers also don't know about this, but I have been an ambassador for Shein for a very long time, and the amount that I missed Shein after it got banned was next level, and I'm sure a lot of girls can relate to me on that point. Nothing against the ban or something, it is something that was required and that's just fine with it, but we are equally happy when I found out about Urbanic Official. When it comes to trendy pieces, when it comes to the Instagram fashion, I always hit for Urbanic Official, and it has been a savior. We have some trousers like bottoms, and we have a dress and tops, and let's see, we will just progress from pretty to prettier and prettier dresses and tops.
It's really pretty.
So let's just get started with it. And also I got one of the pieces, the dress was on flash sale, so they have their flash sale every day, which changes every day. So that's the one good thing that you can go and get your hands on. So let's get started with the whole haul. I am so excited to show you guys. I'm going to show you, this top is so pretty. This is so pretty. This pouch is very handy, so good to keep the clothes. So this is something that I love about Urbanic, because they give these zip up plastics to store your clothes, and that is the best way to store them. Like wow, iska to maine tag bhi nahi nikala hai abhi tak, guys. So this is the pretty top. This is so cute. This is so good. The print and everything, and the material is so pretty. The material is literally so pretty, so nice, very stretchable, and the material is very nice, very thick material. So this is the back side of it. The fabric is just so amazing and very stretchy. I love it. Even it has a very nice hem, like very nicely done hem, so the threads are not gonna come out. You can see a lot of good stitching is done over here. With this skinny jeans, acid gray skinny jeans. I have been looking for this color everywhere. This color, I don't know if it is coming properly in the camera or not, and the stretch is perfectly amazing. The stretch is amazing. Also the hemline, this hemline is so pretty and so cute. I love it. It is perfect high-waisted jeans, and I love the way it sits on my body. Cloth material is also very pretty. It can go with anything, guys. Let me tell you guys, since I purchased this jeans, this has been out of stock, and before I purchased also it was out of stock. It just came for 2 to 3 days, I guess. So I've given a link which is a similar piece of this jeans, so that at least you can get your hands on something if you do not find this, because I love it. So this is the trouser. This is the OG trousers, these kind of like jogger pants trousers. I've seen this on Shein also. I've seen this on a lot of other platforms, and it comes with these huge pockets, very baggy style pants. These are, it comes with these huge pockets, both the sides, and then you have this elastic in the end. So it is kind of a jogger pants. In the e-girl video, I've styled this pant. So this pant actually reached way before than the other items reached. So I made the e-girl transformation look where I use this pant. If you've not watched that video yet, go and watch it. Link is down in the description, and also somewhere in the screen there will be a card. But the material is synthetic, polyester synthetic, and I kind of loved it. So I had a similar pant from Shein, but that had like belts and jeans and chains around the waist and all of that. A lot of accessorizing was done there. This pant is so comfortable. When I tell you, it's very comfortable. It will feel like you're just wearing a jogger or a pajama or something like that. Trust me when I say this. It is very comfortable. Waiting for a white jeans, and the best part about it is this slide slit, guys. Do you see the slide slit? So freaking cool. Like, this is that tone jeans kind of a vibe. I got this in the size M. I usually get everything in the size M. Awesome, and everything is very awesome. Stretchy material is very nice. The button is very nice. The slit is very nice. The cutting is very nice. But when I saw this jeans picture on the website, I saw that the jeans was pretty long from the bottom, so it was like kind of a flared wide leg kind of effect. Now I don't know whether it's because of the shoes that the model is wearing or because of the height of the model or what is the case, but it looks really long from down, so I kind of wanted it to be longer in length. But it is kind of just ankle length, but I'm still fine with it because the look that it gives because of the slide slit. I'm loving this jeans, and even if it's not wide leg, I want to keep it, and I've already used it twice. Coming to my most favorite purchase of this whole haul is this tie and dye dress with drawstrings. So this is the dress that I got on flash sale. The flash sale was there and I got it for only 946 rupees, but its original price is somewhat around 1500 to 1600. This is the example of complete trend going on right now. Like, tie and dye is on trend right now, the drawstrings are on trend right now, bodycon is on trend right now. This dress is everything, guys. Like, it is giving me everything and every look. The material is pretty good. It's not very stretchy, but it's fine. It sits on a body nicely. It's not very sheer or thin also. That was something I was very concerned about when I bought it. And also it comes with these pretty drawstrings, so you can just pull it all up like this and tie a knot, so it's going to look very nice. I love the color, the tie and dye in black and white. Wow. And then I love the fact that this is very long sleeved and everything, so it gives a very clean cut. So when you wear it, it looks very bodycon, plus you have that drawstring effect which makes your bottoms look very cinched up and in a nice shape. This one and the white jeans are my absolute favorite purchases of this haul. You will not regret buying any of it, so just go and get your hands on it. Finally, that's the end of the haul video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked what I bought. Do let me know down in the comment section below what was your favorite pick or which one you would not buy at all. Also, do let me know in the comment section below the other hauls that you would want me to try out, or maybe a particular section like skirts or jeans or heels from a particular brand or website. I will definitely make those as well. This video is till here only, and I will see you until next time. Take care of yourself. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also check me out on my Instagram account. I've been posting a lot of pictures, a lot of things, and a lot of styling quotient over there, so do check me out.